Well, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, we're back on the Gold Coast, working on this Ford Falcon. Specifically, we're going to be changing the heater blower fan. Goes up under the inside the dash. You guys are probably here because you might have a ticking noise. You're trying to work out how to pull it out. I'm going to show you how to remove it, nice and easy, quick and simple, and throw a new one in there if required. Some people might just be in there cleaning it out, so if you are doing that, this is going to be appropriate for you as well. But guys, don't forget, if you do need this part, we have them available here at Parts Factory Australia. So just click on the title of this video, the link will pop down. Click on it, order it to your door. I think it's $198.30, which is going to be the cheapest in Australia by far, and we ship it to you free express post anywhere in Australia. And yes, if you are international and you have one of these overseas, unlikely, then yeah, you can definitely use FedEx. We'll ship it over to you, get it in your hand, then use this video to save yourself some money. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, just to let you know that the BA, BF and FG all do share the same fan blower motor. So majority of the time, this tutorial is going to apply for anyone with those model cars. Alrighty guys, so you can come in, open up this glove box. Some may drop down and some might not. So you can just put your hands up in there, push on that tab, and this glove box will lower. If you do have like anything in it, it may fall out. That's okay. Just let it fall out, like so. Now this cable just comes over to your right, and then you just grab the box and lift it up into the air, and yeah, it'll just pop out like that. So again, just up into the air, pops out. Move it over to the side. All right, so now that you've removed this, the reason that I like to do that, guys, is you get a bit more space and a bit more perspective. So now you can see through that. You can kind of guide your hand, you can kind of get light in there. So that's why I pull it out. In theory, you don't have to, but it just makes the job easier. So then you grab your torch, and you want to bring your torch up under like so. And then if you pop your head under, you will see obviously your power plug, so we can pull that out. I'll just get it out for you, like so. See the top right, where the little pink is? I'll just come closer, just there. Yep, Phillips head screw, guys. Is that a Phillips head? Yep, that's a Phillips head. 1, 2, and 3. And this fan blower motor will literally just pop straight down. So that's how easy it is. I'll show you what I mean. Alrighty guys, so I got 2 out of 3 out. The hardest one is the back one. So what I did is I used a 8mm or 7mm rather on a socket, and I put the Phillips head screw in the socket like that, cracked it, and now I'll complete it with the drill gun. Alrighty guys, so I got the 3 bolts out. So now you can just grab the fan, tuck it past, and there it is there, guys. Nice and straightforward. So I've just come over to the workstation. Here's your second-hand one. Not exactly sure what's wrong with this one. Probably just a bearing. It does make a bit of a racket, but guys, as you can see, we do stock the OEM replicas here at Parts Factory. So if you do need them, definitely jump on, check it out, order it to your door, guys. And yeah, it comes with a 3-year warranty, so it's obviously a no-brainer. Alrighty. Let's throw it back in. Alrighty guys, so I'm not going to be putting Parts Factory one in. I've actually just done this video as a instruction. The guy that owns this car hasn't actually asked me to change it. He gave me permission to do this though. So I'll be putting this one back in, but I'm not going to waste your time any further, guys. You can clearly see how easy this is. Throw it back in, guys. Always line up this piece in the housing, and then of course your 3 screws. Boom, done. And then you're good to go, guys. So video complete. Alrighty guys, all done. Nice, quick and easy, as I discussed or said before. It was pretty straightforward. We had a few leaves in there, cleaned it out, put the new one in, plugged the plug back in, and we were good to go. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. If you can, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We've got heaps of content just like this to help you do DIY repairs in your car. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas. I'll see you next time.